Alright guys, welcome to another tutorial of today. Alright, we want to talk on the solo RB chord progression. Basically, you can use it on your soloist. You can also add it on your chord progression. So for today, I want to show you the basic chord for RB progression. So stay tuned as you watch in the video, and please don't forget to subscribe and give a comment below. If you have anything you want to talk of, like you want to ask, you can keep a comment below and I will give you the answer as soon as possible. Alright, please don't forget to like this video and share. Alright, thank you. Stay tuned and we'll watch the video to the end. Alright, your first chord is the 1 chord, which is basically known as Do. Let me come close so that you can see it. Alright, but when you are playing this chord, you harmonize it with the 9th chord, which is your Re. Yeah. Okay. So now the second chord is the 5th chord, which is basically known as Sol. This is how you play it. Si, Re, Sol, Ti. The 5th chord. And the 3rd chord is the 4th chord, which is known as the Fa, basically known as Va. Okay, so that is the first basic chord you need to know. So the first one is the second one is the 6th chord, which is basically known as La. La, you bar the fret here from the 4th string, the 2nd and 1st. You play from La, Do, Mi, La, Da, Do, Mi, La. Then you harmonize it with your T here. What am I playing there? This is the Mi chord, which is basically known as the 3rd chord. So you start from your Do here. So, Ti, Mi. Then you harmonize it a little bit. And you play the same pattern with your 2nd chord, which is basically known as a Re. So this is how it's played. Okay. This is how it's played. What am I playing there? That is the diminished 7. The diminished 7. You can decide to add it, you can decide not to add it. It's just a kind of augmented tone. But I do fix it in all my chord progressions, and it has another tension of the way it's picking down the chords and dissolving the chord. Yes. Okay, it's a kind of a tone-down resolution that makes chord look more easier and quick to drop. Okay, so you can decide to add it and you can decide not to add it. Okay, So the basic chord is La, Mi, Re. Okay, so the whole chord is like this. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Please give a comment below, like and share this video. If you are not subscribed to my YouTube channel, go ahead and do that so that you don't miss most of my lessons. Okay, alright, thanks for watching. See you later.